Hi guys, in this video we're going to add colliders to our game. Well, mainly just a class for now. We're going to add a physics later, but for now we just need to add a class that basically gets rid of the colliders for now, and a place where we can add our physics later. So first we start with the cylinder collider. As I don't know, you should, if you've watched my previous video about during asset creation, we had to create colliders for asset for the game and for the level, so when the character goes through a mesh, it doesn't go through it. The colliders, as you can see, those colliders are the white mesh in the level at the moment. We need to write a class for them so we can get rid of them and also add physics to them later. So for now we have the cylinder collider. Basically we specify the name of the collider and the number of colliders we have in the game. We're going to take care of the cylinder one for now. We also need a function that basically gets all the colliders in current scene and by name. And the way we do that is basically we specify the name and the number of colliders, but then we have to append the value of high to then basically get a full name, to then query this scene saying, we need that mesh, and if there is, it will get stored in an array, and that's what we get in here. When the next for loop you get is if the collider's length is greater than 0, basically then do this thing in it. Basically what we do now is just switch it off. We just need to turn it off. We're gonna add physics later, like I said. So we go back to the game engine and we just call the start function, and that should remove the collider, the cylinder collider from the scene. The next part of but one thing to note is it's best to do this after the scene is loaded. So here we're just adding a callback function that happens at the end of after the scene has been loaded. So we then call the start function, and that callback function is safer that way, so we don't fall into weird errors. We do the same for the box collider, and we do the same for the spawn collider, and that's essentially it. There's not much to it. The main thing to note is the get meshes by name functions, and that's a static function. As you can see in the video, that's created separately. It's an utility that basically collects all the meshes by name, returns it, and we just run another for each loop saying, if there's any mesh in this array, just switch it off. We can toggle it on and off, and that's how we're going to add physics to it later. And that's all there is for this video. There's not much to it. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the video.